Have you ever taken a really good photo, then noticed something is ruining it? Maybe a random object at the background, or maybe the lighting is a little bit dull to your liking. Normally, fixing something like this in other software might take minutes, sometimes hours, especially if you have so many pictures relating to that. So, if you want to edit your picture faster and also more consistently, you want everything to look consistent, don't want the colors to be different from another, this video is for you. So this software you're looking at right now is called AirBrush Studio. AirBrush Studio is actually built for speed and productivity. Instead of spending hours adjusting every little details manually, it helps you improve your photo quickly while keeping them looking natural and professional. So it doesn't overdo your picture for you. It's going to make them look very, very natural and professional. This is especially useful for photographers, content creators, and anyone who works with multiple images and needs to edit them efficiently. Another thing I like about AirBrush Studio is how simple their interface is. You don't actually need to be a professional to be able to make use of this. All you just need to do is to turn on the sliders here. Since you know how the sliders work, so just turn it on, turn it down. Then you'll be able to edit your picture easily and straightforward. You don't need to have vast knowledge in photo editing to be able to use this software. So just do what? Know how to use all these sliders. If you can edit using Lightroom Mobile or using any phone software, you'll be able to edit using AirBrush Studio. How does this software work? Using AirBrush Studio is actually very, very straightforward. Once you open the software, the first thing you notice is the project interface. So here's the project interface. There is where you're going to create a new project. So once you create your new project, all you just need to do is I like the picture you want to use for the project. So let me use this as a reference right now. Once I click on it, I just have to click on open. Actually did what? It's going to load the picture up for me in AirBrush Studio. So after loading the image up, the next thing you need to do right now is the one which I love using the most. It's my one-click magic eraser. So I just have to come over here and do what? I'm going to click on the magic, as you can see right now. I'm going to check if there's any what, if there's any passerby. I'm going to click on the passerby. As you can see, this object right now, it actually see it as passerby. That's why I actually highlighted it in yellow. So next I'll check is my trash bin. If there's any trash bin around there, exit sign, and also debris. All I just need to do right now is to do what? Just click on remove. And it's going to remove that for me. All I just need to do is to sit back and wait for it to do that for me. Can you see what it just did right now? It actually removed that debris for me. If we have to do this in other software right now, it's going to take us minutes or hours. But by just doing what? Selecting these options over here. Or you can just do what? You can just do that manually yourself by using the brush we have over here. So just delete the one we just did right now. So I'll just pick my brush. I'm going to highlight the area which I want to clean up myself. So I'll just click it like this. I'm going to highlight it, as you can see. So the moment I click this up right now, just come to remove and it's going to do the exact same thing it did for us the first time. Just as simple as that. Another feature I like right now is what? Is the feature that allows you to edit batch picture. So assuming we have about 10 pictures over here we want to retouch or we want to edit. What I just need to do is just to edit one. So let's do what? Let's go with this color grading right now. What I just need to do is to edit this one. I'll copy it, click on C. It's going to ask me what I want to copy out of everything here. Do I want to copy just the screen retouching or the screen retouching and the color grading aspect? So I'll do what? If I want to copy the both, I'll just do what? Click on copy. But if I don't want to copy, or all I just need to do is to uncheck the one I don't want there. I'll do what? I'll just click on copy. All I just need to do is to go to my next image right now and do what? Control V on it. So it's going to paste that particular settings I did on my first image on my second image. If I have 100 pictures also, I can do the same thing for all my 100 pictures. So this is going to save me minutes and hours of editing. So I can edit 100 pictures in less than 10 minutes, which is actually what save us a lot of time and a lot of energy. So how do you get this software installed right now? Next thing you need to do is to do what? Head over to your browser and do what? And click on airbrush.com. Once you do that, here's what the interface looks like. So right now you're going to decide if you want to download for your Mac OS. If you're using a MacBook, click on this option over here. If you're using a Windows PC, click on this option. If you're using an iOS, click here. And if you're using an Android, click here. So I'm actually using a MacBook right now, so I'm going to click on the download for Mac OS. All I have to do is to wait and wait for it to load up the download link for me. And boom, as you can see, we already have a file downloading right now. And boom, if you have to check your download right now, you can see it's already downloading right now. All I just need to do is for me to wait for it to be done with the download. Then I'll just have to click on install. The installation process is that easy. So now the next thing is, how do we register right now? What to do right now is to head over to their website, airbrush.com, and do what? Click on the login icon. So once it actually loads for you, it's going to ask you to sign up with them. You can use your Google Mail to actually sign up with them. You can use your Facebook and you can use your email to actually sign up with them. It's just as easy as that. So if you are using a MacBook, also you can use your app. You can use your Apple ID to do what? To sign up with them. So now here is my own Google account. All I have to do right now is to click on it, click on my continue with Google, and it's going to do what? It's going to sign up my account for me. All I just need to do is just to click on it and sign up. Very, very easy and straightforward. The same settings I use there, that's the same settings I'm going to do what used to log in on the app. Very, very simple and straightforward. For the pricing, all I just need to do right now is to go to my pricing over here and see what it actually costs. So they actually have some free and they have some premium tools also. So if you have to head over to the app first, you can see they listed some for free there. So if you have to check it out, like the frequency separation layer, it's free. So you can do what? You can use your smoothing skin, smoothing body for free of charge. You can export a picture like that free without paying for it. But some other features, like the one I actually use this one, generative AI right now, to actually remove all this, you have to do what? You have to pay for this exactly. So right now, for the payment right now, all you just need to do right now is to head over to the desktop version of it, click on it, and do what? Check out what you want for your pictures. As you can see right now, for basic editing, unlimited exports with free features for editing, limited access to retouch style, limited AI access to face, retouch, remove, and more, support one device. So for this right now, you can do what? You can edit for free using this feature. But if you want something more advanced, like the one-click portrait retouch to edit faster, also what? Unlimited use of AI tools, premium filters and magic retouch style, batch editing, unlimited watermark, free export, and it actually supports two devices. For this, you have to do what? You have to pay $129 for a yearly plan, which is very, very affordable and actually is going to do what? It's going to save you a lot of time in editing. And trust me, you're going to see that it's actually worth the money. Or you can do what? You can just go and pay monthly. If you can't pay the yearly, you can pay monthly for $12.95 per month. As you can see right now, very, very simple. And you're also going to get the same offer you got on this also, just as simple as that. So overall, AirBrush is actually a great tool if you want to clean up your photos quickly and speed up your editing workflow. The feature like one-click magic, eraser batching, eraser and batch editing can save you a lot of time, especially if you're working with multiple images. If you like to try AirBrush Studio, I'll leave the link down in the video description. You can just go and do what? Download the software and use my link to actually sign up. So see you guys in my next video tutorial. Reflex out.